Hi, and welcome to Getting Started with Catalyst Virtual Facilitation. In this video, we will share some tips for facilitating Catalyst in the virtual space, plus a few tips about helping your learners have a great experience. Let's start first with prepping to facilitate using Catalyst. With some prep and practice with the tools ahead of time, facilitating on Catalyst can be a seamless process for you. The Catalyst Program Guide and Virtual Facilitation Guide give a number of options you can consider for your own prep work. The Everything DiSC on Catalyst Facilitation Kit includes everything you need to guide learners through the fundamentals of DiSC, Workplace on Catalyst, and the frequently asked questions on Catalyst experiences. Facilitation options are available for both in-person and virtual sessions. In this video, our focus is on the virtual sessions. A tip in preparing for your virtual facilitation is to get a high-level look at the program options available. Start by opening the Program Guide. There, you'll get the overall flow of the content you have access to. As you review the Catalyst virtual facilitation materials, you'll see that various engagement options and activities are available for your meeting platforms. A great feature of the Catalyst facilitation is that it's modular. Here you can see an example of the modules from Everything DiSC Workplace on Catalyst. These modules do not necessarily need to be delivered in sequential order. This allows you the freedom to adapt content to fit any time frame to the various needs of your organization. The facilitator guides are scripted to help you get started. Using a script may not be something you are used to doing with your in-person facilitation. However, when delivering online, there can be some additional distractions, so using a script can be beneficial. We have provided full scripts and notes for you in the facilitator guide. We suggest that you add these scripts to your notes section in your PowerPoint for ease of use during a live session. Even if you choose not to use the script word for word, it's a great starting point for you to really make the facilitation your own. Next, let's take a look at some live session technology logistics for you, the facilitator. As you facilitate a virtual Catalyst session, a best practice is to have Catalyst open on your screen alongside whatever meeting platform you're using. Share your screen with your learners as you bounce back and forth between your main meeting room and Catalyst. Doing this will allow your learners to see you and Catalyst at the same time. We also recommend keeping everyone together in the main room and enabling webcams for them. This is the best option if breakout rooms are not available in your meeting platform. An ideal situation is to have two monitors available. What this allows you to do is share one screen with your learners during the session while having your PowerPoint with notes or meeting room on the other. Additionally, this could also allow you to do prep work for upcoming activities on the other screen without learners seeing what you're working on. Here's another example of a split screen with Catalyst on the left and PowerPoint on the right. Some facilitators also use the option of including Catalyst screenshots in their PowerPoint so they can stay present with their learners in the main meeting room. You have many options here. It's best to try things out as you practice for your sessions. Choose the one that will work best for you and for your learners. If your meeting platform has more advanced technological capabilities, you can add things like polls, a countdown clock, and breakout rooms, in addition to using webcams to interact with your learners. Let's now focus on some logistics for ensuring your learners are prepared to get the most out of your time with them. Learners attending your virtual sessions will need a few things to be successful. Be sure to email them ahead of time and let them know to come to your session prepared and having tested their systems. Learners will need a computer, an internet connection with a browser, access to the Catalyst platform, pen and paper or an electronic option for light note-taking, and of course, the link to your live session on the platform of your choice. Learners can do the same thing you're doing either by having both the meeting and the Catalyst platform on a split screen or use two monitors as we showed earlier. If the learners don't have access to two computer screens, another recommendation is to have them access the Catalyst platform on their cell phones or a tablet if that's available to them. This way, they'll have the meeting platform on their computer screen and Catalyst access in their hands. The goal here is to make sure they can easily access all of the tools during the session. Finally, make sure your learners have accessed their profiles and explored the feedback on the Catalyst platform prior to your live session. This is a high-level overview of getting started with facilitating virtual sessions using Catalyst. Remember, it will take some prep time for yourself as well as your participants to be ready for your session. But investing the time early will have great returns later when you deliver a seamless and meaningful experience for your learners. We wish you all the best as you facilitate your sessions on Catalyst.